This is awesome. This is from Baby Alive. It's Play and Style Christina. Includes 5 accessories, hair dryer. That is cool. A brush, hair extension, barrettes, comb. Pretty cool. Style my hair. That is neat. Looks like it's running at $25, and her clothes are interchangeable. And real cool. There's pink in her hair. It's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. It's Baby Alive Play and Style Christina. I love the hair dryer. And look, it spins. So cool.